Hello everyone. Let me just let me just show you one simple trick that is I'm actually using universal age equal to imagine our universe age is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. These many years. Now, if I just hit enter, so I have assigned this particular value to my variable that is universal underscore age. We can also do this thing, but in a different format. How to do that? See here, universal underscore age equal to 14, and you can use underscore in between three zeros, and you can use underscore in between three zeros, and you can also use underscore after three zeros. And if I just hit enter, see here, print universal underscore age. See, even if I have entered this particular input, Python has given me this output, which is pretty much same to this particular output. So nothing but here, it doesn't matter for Python whether you have entered underscores or you have not entered underscores, like whether you have represented a number using underscores or you have directly represented the number without even underscores. It doesn't even matter. But for the sake of simplicity or for the sake of readability, you can always have an option of using underscores in between the numbers. When I say in between the numbers, it's not random. You just have to mention an underscore after every three digits of your number. For example, after every three digits, like 1, 2, 3, here I can keep an underscore, and after 1, 2, 3, I can keep an underscore. After 1, 2, 3, I can keep an underscore. And there is no more digit for the third place, so that's why I can stop here itself. What I mean to say is, for Python, this is pretty much same as this particular input. That's it. And this feature works for both integers as well as for float.